Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I take care of my long nails. Basically how I clean them and make them long and strong. Plus few tips to paint your nails perfectly. So let's get started. As you can see, my nail paint is pretty much faded and they are not looking presentable. So I'm going to start by removing my old manicure, and here I'm using my alcohol free nail paint remover. Now taking a cotton ball to do this and then drenching it in some nail polish remover. I like to pour 10 to 15 drops of nail paint remover on a cotton bed to completely soak it. If you take the cotton ball and you press it against your nail, just to wait about 10 to 15 seconds, and when you pull it away, you are going to take away all the nail polish with it. This is by far the best method for removing nail polish. I used to rub back and forth and I would get fuzzies everywhere. When I did it, it would take a little bit longer, so I much prefer this method. Now that my nails are polish free, I'm going to prepare a bowl of hot water and fill it up about halfway, and then I'm going to add a half lemon juice. Lemon is antibacterial, so we don't have to worry about any dirt getting trapped underneath our nails, because that's very common. Even though you wash your hands, it's really easy for a dirt to get trapped underneath short and long nails. So I'm going to soak my hands in the lemon water, and this is really relaxing. It just feels really nice and pampering, and I'm also rubbing the lemon on my nails just to remove all the dirt and wash my hands with clean water afterwards. Then I'm going to start pushing back my cuticles really quickly. I'm doing it with my hands only. You can also use cuticle pusher tool to push them back. And always push your cuticles back whenever your hands are soft or your skin is soft, or after soaking it in hot water. I like to do this for 5 to 10 minutes. Just soak your hands in the water and then clean your hands with fresh water and just dry them up. But you want to make sure that you wash your hands before application of any kind of nail polish. I'm applying a base coat and then I'm going to let that dry before I put on any nail polish. So here I'm using this L nail polish. Always do a base coat. It is very important to protect your nails from any harsh chemicals of nail polish. My base coat is done. Now I'm going to apply this beautiful purple color nail paint. So firstly, you have to shake your bottle whenever you apply any nail paint. When I remove the nail polish from the bottle, I swipe one side so that it's completely free of any nail polish, and then I leave all the polish on one side. Now if you're not very good at painting your nails, this is really great technique. All I do is create a dot in the middle of my nails towards the upper area, and then I push that dot up and pull down, and then I swipe sides, and this creates the perfect application every single time. It looks so beautiful and it's really easy. If you're worried about getting nail polish on your skin, then all you need is nail paint remover and a Q-tip. Apply a remover on a Q-tip and then slowly remove the extra nail polish from your fingers like this. I will explain this technique again if you don't know how to do it. All I do is create a dot in the middle of my nails towards the upper area, and then I push that dot and pull down. Then I swipe both the sides like this and just fill all the areas. If you think you need some more nail paint, you can take it. Now that's it. I prefer to remove extra nail polish, if any, just after when it happens, because if you remove it later, after applying nail polish to all your fingers, till then your extra nail polish will dry out and it will be difficult to remove it. So remove it just after it happens. Now I'm gonna apply the last coat on top of my nails to protect them from harsh chemicals, plus they will not chap out easily if you coat them like this after painting your nails. Now that's it. Do the same thing on all the nails. They will look more shinier and beautiful. So apply last coat, and it is very important to apply last coat. As you can see how they are shining, they are looking beautiful. Now to protect the nails and cuticles, just apply cuticle oil on the top of the nails and on cuticles. You can apply any DIY cuticle oil, or you can use vitamin E oil or almond oil. I'm using almond oil here. And always massage them at night and your nails will grow much faster. So apply any oil on your nails to make them stronger and grow longer. And that's it. I hope you'll enjoy this video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video as much as you can. And thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.